Imagine a small village on a charming island, getting bigger and bigger, wealthier and wealthier, and then be suddenly abandoned. That's the story of Houtouwan, my Chinese destination for the Ephemera documentary. After reaching the edges of Nepal and Mongolia, I landed in the vivid Shanghai, the most populous city in the world, and start looking for information and help on how to reach Kochi, the island where Houtouwan is located. I find neither a guide or a local eager to come with me, so I have to embrace this adventure and go by myself. I get a bus at 7 in the morning to reach a ferry dock after 2 hours. From there, once I'm sure I'm on the right boat, it takes me another 3 hours. I eventually arrive in Kochi and I found out that I'm the only person speaking English. Fortunately, I have my Ili device that helps me having basic interactions with locals. Okay, Ili works. It's really saving my life right now. This island and the nearby Shangshan revolve around the fishing industry. Some people wave nets, others build the boats or take care of the 16 ones. Eventually, I'm able to find out the exact location of the abandoned village of Houtouwan. I go there by taxi the next morning. Once arrived, I found what I was expecting, except the fact that spring is still debuting and the vegetation is less present than what I imagined.
The village was built in the 80s, and by the 90s, with the development of the fishing industry, people here became quite wealthy. They started building big houses, but then by 2000 gradually decided to move away because the place was quite difficult to reach, and so it was difficult to move around the country.
I start exploring the place looking for locals. I find a man in what looks like a simple store for tourists. Another one is just enjoying the morning view from a terrace. I ask him some questions using Ili and find out that he's one of the only 6 people still living on the island.
Do you like living here? Nice.
Later in the afternoon, I found him working a piece of land in the middle of ruins, meaning that he still has a strong connection with this place, but also that the soil here has to be quite fertile. I leave him to his work and take one last walk uphill to get back to my hotel and then take another mysterious boat back to Shanghai. Houtouwan is a reminder of how fast human life on this planet can move, but also that we are only temporarily occupying its surface, and that as soon as we stop being interested in a place, nature will rapidly claim it back.
So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you want to learn more about Ili, the device I use to communicate with Chinese people, you find a link in the description below. This device will translate automatically from spoken English to Mandarin, Japanese and Spanish without the need of an internet connection. So it really saved my life in China. It will probably do the same soon in Japan. I really suggest you to check it out. So thank you very much and see you in the next one.